First go to the background and create a duplicate layer and name it low frequency color. Now go to the filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Change the radius into 5 or something plus or less, then OK. Again select the background and make another duplicate layer and name it high frequency details. And put it on the top. Go to the image and apply image. Change the layer to low frequency color and change the blending to subtract and A scale 2 and the offset 128 and then click OK. Now change the blending mode to linear light. Now select the low frequency color and convert to a smart object. Now go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Change the radius (48 plus or less) and then click OK. Now select the smart filter and invert it. Click Ctrl I. Now go to the brush tool, select brush tool and brush all over the skin properly. You will see the difference. You have to do that properly. Now again go to the background layer and make another duplicate layer and name it skin texture. And put it on the top. And desaturate it. To do that, you have to click Ctrl Shift U and convert to a smart object. Now go to the filter, other, high pass. Change the radius 2 or something plus and click OK. And change the blending mode to linear light. You can change the opacity. I put it 60. Now go to the icon marks and create a icon marks and invert it. Click Ctrl I. Now again go to the brush tool and brush all over the skin. That's all. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you.